Yo, what's up, guys? YouTube just dropped a new massive update on the app, and you are not going to miss this new feature. I've been testing this out for a couple of times, and this is a game changer. So let's break it down. So, what's this new feature that I'm talking about? So, YouTube just introduced this feature for you to hide your videos. So, let's say you are watching a video and someone is coming up to you, and you don't want the person to watch or see what you are watching. So what you are going to do is to swipe up from the bottom of your screen while the video is playing to activate the picture in picture mode. So from here, you can drag the video to your left side or to the right side of the screen, and this will automatically pause the video and hide it. So in case you want to watch the video back, what you're going to do is you are going to tap on this arrow and it will bring the video back. So this is the feature I'm talking about, and this is a massive update, and I like this feature. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next tutorial soon. Peace.